Hi guys, welcome back to Indian Beauty Network. This is your beauty fanatic back with another video, and this video is about skincare. I am a person who is having a dry skin and I am in search of a perfect moisturizer because hydration of skin is really important as hydration of a body, because like the way you drink water it's very compulsory for your body, the same way a moisturizer is compulsory for your skin, I believe so. Being a doctor, I do see that I try to get a good moisturizer who is having a very good properties. Still I'm in search of such moisturizer, and I recently landed on Requel moisturizer and I have already reviewed it. I'll be leaving it in the description down below. You can just check out my YouTube video, or you can check up in the screen, it will be somewhere up. So that was the perfect moisturizer that was for the day. But when it comes to night, you should have a moisturizer during the night time or bedtime also. I have been trying many moisturizer for you guys to review and tell you about my thoughts about it. Here I am from a very good brand who is not only organic, it is natural, vegan and cruelty free. It's none other than Plum. As you also know Plum as Plum Goodness. You can just check out their website, I will be leaving the description down below. I do love their kajal so much, it's my staple. So I went ahead and tried few of their skincare products, and I have reviewed few of their skincare products on my blog also. You can just check out, I'll be leaving all the links in the description down below. So today let's talk about their moisturizer, which is none other than Plum E-Luminance Deep Moisturizing Creme. So during daytime you obviously go with a very light moisturizer because you don't want anything heavy on your skin during daytime while you're on work or outside. But during night time you will be at rest and your skin needs very high or very thick moisturizer which can get absorbed into the skin during whole night process of sleeping. That way when you get up in the morning you can have a very plump, moisturized and very soft and smooth skin in the morning, and you can go ahead with a light moisturizer again in the morning. Don't forget guys, the way you need water and food for your body, the same way you need such kind of products to your skin, because if we neglect your body as it goes into a dehydrated state when you don't drink water, the same way our skin also get dehydrated when you don't apply moisturizers or anything which moisturize your skin, whether it's a fruits or your products. So that will lead to dry dehydrated skin, which leads to easy wrinkles in early life. And that's it guys, no one wants wrinkle. So let's get started with the review. So it is by Plum. It's their E-Luminance Deep Moisturizing Creme. It is priced at around 575 rupees for 50 ml of product. It is, as I said you, it is natural, cruelty free and vegan. And this is how the outer packaging looks like. It is quite heavy and it is in a tub version, so I don't think it's travel friendly. Basically I do that, I keep small tubs with me, and whenever I am on a travel spree I just scoop out the product from these bigger tubs into smaller ones and carry it along with the label on it. So that is how I carry my stuff. So let's see what it claims. It is said so let's see what it claims. It basically for normal dry and very dry skin, so it's really heavy, so I don't suggest it for the oily or acne prone or sensitive skin. It is said to be goodness by the dozen. Vitamin E comes together with over a dozen different plant derived nutrients to provide unmatched hydration and nourishment to dry and damaged skin. The result, bouncy hydrated skin that exudes a happy doing radiance. Plum's peak, the first day of the month in ancient Rome, was called calends. Calendula flower bloom on a monthly cycle and thus got their name. Whatever. So these are the instruction. You have all the details on the outer covering. It is nice, sleek, it is nice, quite attractive packaging, I must say. It is quite nice, attractive packaging. So let's open it. This is how the tub looks like. It is quite heavy comparatively, and it is a glass packaging, and I like the thing that it comes in a glass packaging because I don't suggest plastics these days. So this is how the product looks like. It's really heavy and it's not travel friendly, but it's nice, quite luxury packaging. The glass is not breakable also. You can don't throw it off, guys. I just mean that it's really heavy. The glass is not cheap. So when you open it, this is how the product looks like. It's completely white in color and it looks really thick in the tub, and it has very faint sweet smell to it. It's very faint. When you smell it too hard, you can just smell it, but it is nice. And let me scoop out and show you. It's really thick, and when you open it, when you apply it, look how thick it is, guys. Oh, my skin feels so hydrated. It's really nice. It's not sticky, greasy, unlike other thick moisturizer. It is really nice, getting soaked easily into the skin. Can you see? It's totally absorbed into my skin and doesn't leave that greasy type of feel outside. It's really nice and thick. I don't prefer this moisturizer, especially in winters during daytime. I don't prefer such moisturizer in the daytime, especially during summers. But when it comes to winter, you can use this moisturizer in the daytime also, because it will be nice. You won't feel thick or something. And it's really nice, hydrated, and it provides good hydration to your skin for 4 to 5 hours. And after that, you need to reapply it once again. So that was all about the moisturizer, guys. And do check out the brand. It's really nice brand and cruelty free, vegan and organic. Hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, leave the question in the comment section down below. Until then, take care. Bye.